Hello and welcome to my channel, Show Me RN. This will be your Zodiac Animal message for the week. And I have on my animal spirit here. So I'm just going to pull some cards for each Zodiac and read the message. I'll also give an intuitive message as well, just for the sake of what's coming in for this week. Let's see. So let's start. I will start first with Capricorn. Capricorn, happy birthday. Hope you are having a wonderful Capricorn season. Pull a card for you. Spirit angel guys, show me the message for Capricorn. Capricorn, you have Taurus. Okay, so Taurus here says, when changes are made for the sake of change itself, resist. So there's something here that you have to be a hard ass about, but there's something that you need to change. Change is being asked of you, and you're being given permission to change. So, and I go right to it. So that's a message from Spirit. I want you to know. Okay, so let's dive in. Older than dinosaur, embodiment of ancient wisdom and living testament to the wonder of her form. Unchanging tortoise plows on through time. Like tortoise, resist change for novelty's sake. Be true to your way of living, your partner, and your creativity, lest you destroy something more wonderful than you yet know. Tortoise also counsels constructing a mental carcass to protect yourself from the unjustified criticisms of others. Hmm, be that hard ass. Okay, so criticisms for, for as tortoises hatchlings emerge from their shells perfect, you too were born flawless. All right, Capricorn, that's your message for this week of December 26th to the 31st. All right. And this will be the last animal message of the year that I'll be doing. So let's see. What's the next message coming in for Aquarius? All right. Spirit angel guys, show me the message for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, you gotta fly. So, Aquarius, you have the frog. Adapt and survive by accepting the inevitable and seizing potential. So air signs is in this energy Aquarius, and I feel that intuitively, Aquarius, you have been really looking on how you've been doing this year in 2022 and how you have really jumped into and leaped into this um, year and you accomplished a lot of things that you wanted to. However, um, there's some things that has been inevitable, and you are right at the brink of capturing whatever it is that you are to get this. So if you don't get it in this week, definitely Spirit is just encouraging you to continue and to take a leap forward. Okay, let's see what's the message in the book. All right. For the frog. Mhm. Like and share the video if any of these messages resonate. I appreciate your energy. Again, thank you everyone for subscribing, and also thank you for your comments. I appreciate that as well. All right, they're very encouraging. All right, guys. So Aquarius, this is your message. Mistress of diversity, Frog conforms seamlessly and ingenuously to her environment. If she has leaped into your cards, your strategy must also be to adapt and survive. Sometimes life moves inexorably on the nothing we can do will change events or alter fate. Frog considers that for now it is wise to accept the inevitable while maximizing even the tiniest of possible advantages. That way you grow strong in the face of adversity and may influence events when opportunity faces. Okay, that's your message. Let's see. What's the message for Pisces? Show me the message for Pisces. All right, Pisces, you have the chameleon. All right, let's put that in there good. Let's see it. So the chameleon says, conceal ambition with patience until it is time to make your move. So everything great sometimes moves in silence. So what you need to do, Pisces, I feel intuitively, is to uh, make sure that you can do all that you can for trying to encourage yourself. You know that things come and patience is what you are to do. This is almost like that hangman in the perspective that you want to look at. This perspective is going to give you the opportunity to just really take a chance on seeing how when you want to do something and you know you want to tell everybody, but spirit is just saying like, be patient, move in silence, and then when it's time, boom, it's gonna happen for you. All right, because that little bug, when the chameleon's trying to get it, and it's in the same colors as the greenery and the trees and whatever, that bug is surprised when it gets snatched. And that's what's going to happen with you, Pisces. You're going to get that nice little snatch. Okay. All right. Let's see. What's the message for you? I like this card. So, chameleon. All right. Chameleon is one with herself and her world. Her senses subtle, artful, outwardly, otherworldly. Her very skin sensing her environment and mimicking the colors that surround her. Be aware of subtle energies, the etheric vibrations that emanate from us all, psychic visions from afar, and trust to their message. In the tricky world of business, bide your time, become gray and unnoticeable, perfectly positioned to assess the myriad appearance and independent ambitions at play. And only then, like the chameleon, strike and fly and make your move. All right. Like that. All right, that was for Pisces. All right, show me the message for Aries. What's the message for Aries? Thank you, Spirit, Angel guys, for this message for Aries. Aries, you have the Black Panther. So, sensuality and passion stare beneath a cloak of secrecy. Mm. Okay, Aries. You are in secret and you're moving in silence as well. However, in this thing, there's a sensuality in what you're doing, and you're calling your passion out in this to shine. I guess that just like the panther, it's very sleek and hides well, and all of a sudden, there you go. So hold on to your secrets Aries, if you have to be silent, move in silence as well. I think everybody got a couple of little secrets now. Mm, you know your life. Anyway, so Aries, this is your message. This is your message. I find it in the book. Okay. Black and silky as the velvet night, the feminine sensuality and sexual energies yet holding within the power of the male Lilith Black Panther counsels that the time has come to awaken passion, to accept and reclaim your eccentric sexuality, and in doing embrace life. Okay. Panther is sleep incarnate. Her quarry has no intimidation of her coming. Mhm. Like Panther, hide your intentions until the time for action has come, or risk losing advantage, be it love or business. So shut your mouth, Aries, and get your bag. Okay, that's your message. All right, message for Taurus. So many Taurus. Taurus, you have the bear. Okay, the bear says nurture creativity and return to the sweetness of life. Hmm, let's see what's the message in the book. Just thinking, Taurus, as your Earth sign calls you to um, just get with nature, get grounded, the small things in life is really what matters. And it's just like, just return to that. That's your message, Taurus. Okay. The bear prepares for birth of her cubs by building up reserves of nourishing fat, but unless conditions are perfect, she will not give birth to her fleshly creation. For bear knows that timing and preparation are all. Deliberate carefully before bringing anything into being and nurture your creativity by withdrawal, whether in meditation or retreat. When you return to the material world, your ideas will bear freshly ripe fruits and you will again discover the sweetness that life offers you. All right, Taurus, that is your message. All right, let's see. What is the message for Gemini? Show me the message for Gemini. All right, Gemini, you have orangutan. Working like working to live joyously, not living to work. Mm. All right. So a little stressful here, Gemini. You are being given permission to work hard and play hard. Do like the monkeys do. And you are also encouraged to try to um, set intentional joy, just to make sure that as you're working hard, that you set that time to play hard too. All right. Orangutan. All right. Orangutan utterly content, content in his lush rainforest, sees no pressing need to swing on agile limbs. From his soft arboreal bed at dawn, he rises when Alexa stop. He rises when refreshed, stretching great arms before breakfasting unhurriedly on right fruits. Okay. And only then carrying on with the business of his day. So work hard, play hard, Gemini. So here you are working to live or living merely to work. Which one are you doing? Adjust your priorities lest time slip silently away. Taking pleasure. So balance yourself, Gemini. That's basically what this message is saying. All right, let's see. What's the message for Cancer? Spirit Angel guys, show me the message for Cancer. Cancer, you have porcupine. All right, porcupine. All right, this porcupine looks a little sticky. And it says here, you may defend yourself honorably without hurting those close to you. So this I feel intuitively, Cancer, that you may have offended someone because these little pricks can be painful. And sometimes when you communicate or when your emotional selves can be free to communicate, some of these little spurls come out and might be sticking somebody. So I'm feeling that intuitively, defend yourself. Someone may have offended you or you may offend somebody, but um, these things hurt and you got to watch out. Cancer. Okay. Porcupine trusts in the world, individual but unterritorial. She shares her den, her favorite verdant pastures, and is rewarded with plenty. But when trust is broken, Porcupine defends herself fiercely with barbed quills, causing even a tiger to defer. Like Porcupine, share your bounty with others, be it material or emotional, and discover that it returns to you tenfold. Trust in others while not hesitating in defense, and you will too garner the respect that Porcupine commands and the happiness you deserve. All right, so that's the message. All right, Leo, what's the message for Leo? Spirit Angel can show me Leo. Ooh, baby, baby. Okay. You have the power to transcend failure and move into a limitless future. Ooh, I like that. All right, so this back here is nocturnal. And when we speak of limitless future, what is limitless? It's like something dark because we can't see it. But we know that eventually it opens up and we can embrace it and we can see the goodness that comes out of it. Just like a seed is planted in the ground and it's dark and it comes out at night and grows. In the morning you see it, there's a little stem and there's a little leaf and there's fruit. So now the bat comes out at night and this bat is making moves that nobody's seeing, but it's doing some big things and it's making some uh, very powerful moves. So that's what your message is, Leo. You are making some power moves. Um, Not too many people can see it, but they will feel the energy. So let's see what's the message in the book. Okay. Mm, mm. Okay. Bat once crawled upon the earth, but she reached for the stars, and now she really can fly. If you have pulled Bat to guide you, you too can become anything you want. But remember, everything has its own period of gestation, and as you progress to your own limitless future, you must transcend failure and its attendant fear. That the striving again. With failure comes the knowledge that brings you ever near your heart's goal until on the destined day you are reborn. All right, that's your message, Leo. Okay, so let's see, what's the message for Virgo? Show me the message for Virgo. Spirit angel, show me Virgo. That. Let's do it again. What's the message for Virgo? Black Panther. I read that one already. All right, Virgo, what's going on with you? Baboon. All right, we'll take that. Okay, so in love and declarations of passion, heartfelt communication is the key. So there could be something dark and secret that you are wanting to talk about, Virgo. Um, could be something that's a matter of the heart, but there is something that you really need to communicate, and somebody's not gonna like what you got to say. I'm just gonna say that they're not gonna like. Okay, Sublime Baboon, adept of love, wears her heart on her sleeve. Baboon does not pretend. Mhm. Her passions and shows of affection are genuine. Her reactions without art. So you may believe the ardent declarations of others, truthful, heartfelt communications, and open expressions of feelings or what matters now in your relationship. If, like Baboon, you speak lasting love, hiding your emotions will leave others unsure of your intentions and reluctant to reveal their feelings, which can only lead to misunderstanding and sadness. All right, Libra, what's your name? Keep these Libra, you got chameleon. Let's pull another card. Box. Right, box, box. So the box says your sharpened senses allow you to observe the actions of others. Mm-hmm. All right. See what's the message you got for Libras. Intuitively, I feel Libra that as you are finding the balance in things and um, how you did your holiday, you may have did a little bit too much stressful things going on, a lot of energy that I'm feeling because box is just action. It's just actions of others, so you um doing things, but you have to sit back and watch and look. So let's see, bewitching fox, supreme opportunist, mistress of skill. Observe the world's unseen that much may be learned and gained. Fox counsels you to hone your senses until they are sharp as hers and become purposefully conscious and alert to what is happening in the world around you. Soon, the interconnectedness of life will become clear, allowing you not only to see the inevitable outcomes to certain situations, but, like Fox, to know instinctively when an invitation is an opportunity. Fox counsels that you take it. All right, let's see, what is the message for Scorpio? Spirit angel guys, show me the message for Scorpio. Yeah, let's see. Next. Somebody else can read something. There. All right, always in the same energy. Let's see. And Scorpio, you have sloth. Sloth says, consider the smallness of your need and treasure what you possess. For the sloth. Scorpio, humankind gave sloth his name. Seen in the apparent stillness of her neotropical rainforest life, mere laziness, but sloth is virtue incarnate, a perfectly balanced ecosystem, impregnable to predators, surrounded by nourishment, and bathed by the sun. Sloth is proof of those much stronger and more attractive that she wants for nothing and waste nothing. She counsels that you treasure that which surrounds you, squander neither love nor material things, even if they are no longer new. Then, like sloth, relax to true prosperity. Scorpio. All right. Now we're going to get to Sagittarius. All right, Sag, what's your message? Last one, Sagittarius. And you have Cheetah. Okay. And thank you, Sag, for sticking around and watching this video. Your message is a decision once made will be followed by unwavering action. Mm, okay. So it's time to move that. Hey, Sag, you got stuff you got to do, things you've been knowing that you're supposed to do, and it's time to move. Move. I'm gonna use my spirit on it. So this is your message, and I hope that this resonates. I'm gonna read it out the book, see what's the message here. But I just really feel like Cheetah stalks silently with cat wisdom, but pursues her quarry. Fleet gazelle with the power of sight, hound magic. What other creature partakes of your two natures? Look within to discover a plurality of talents and ways of being. For Cheetah is offering you the chance to be exceptional too. If Cheetah, fastest living animal, has run into your card, this is not a time for hesitation. Decision followed by unwavering action is now essential. Like Cheetah, grasp what life has to offer. All right, Scorpio. Well, that is the messages for this week. Thank you again, guys, for sharing and liking the video. Um, I hope that this message does resonate for you all. And as we move forward into 2023, I will be doing other oracle decks for the week for that month. So we'll see what's to come for 2023. Like and share this video. That's all we got.